Hey guys, Christian Michick here with another update for my Mineocrafte game, and well, here it is so far. As you can see, I started it up right before I started recording, so there's no bias with the recording influencing the FPS, but you can see it drastically changed the FPS, and the collision updates are very, very small. And these green spikes are just because of the VSync, which basically means because I'm using two monitors, so it's just updating the second monitor. So if you only have one monitor and you're running it on just one, then you'll be running less than 60 FPS, or more than 60 FPS, I mean. So that's pretty awesome. I'm going to close this out, and, well, actually, I want to make sure. Oh, whoops. Okay, I want to close. I want to stop recording it and close it out. And then I'll maximize it and play. So here we are. I'm just playing one biome right now at a time, so I'm just going to go through them real quick. This is the mountain biome, which is pretty sweet. You can see the mountain biome. There is there's grass blocks and then dirt blocks, and then I'm not calling it coarse dirt. I'm calling it thick dirt. And then there's stone, and it's very bumpy and mountainous. And whoa, yeah, it's a little laggy because I'm recording again, but yeah, you get the idea. Let's see if I can get on the top of this mountain. I'll just cheat myself there. Yep. Okay. Joop. Okay. Bam. Yeah. So the mountains look pretty sweet, and let's move on to the next biome. Okay. So to move on to the next biome, I'm gonna have to go in here and hard code it. So that was mountains. This will be plains. So let's just wait for it to load. And by the way, if you have any ideas for any biomes that are cool and would be found in the overworld, please post them in the comments below. And yeah, let's get on with this. This is the plain biome. Once it loads. Okay, once I fall down here. Okay, it's whoa. Okay, once it loads. Okay, yeah, it's pretty flat. Again, it's a little laggy because I'm recording. But yeah, it's just a nice flat biome that you could probably build stuff on, which is sweet. Okay, let's next one. Okay, let's see, what biome is this? This is biome hills. This is the hills biome, which is not as bumpy or not as high as the mountain biome, but it is still pretty bumpy. It's just a bunch of hills, basically. Very, very creative. Totally, not really. Let's just wait for it to load. But I was having trouble mixing the biomes together, so that's what I'm still trying to get done at the moment. I'll show you what it looks like, kind of, if if this thing freaking listens to me. Are you gonna listen to me? Done loading down there in that corner? Come on. There we go. Okay, the hill biome. And currently these are all the same seeds. They're all slightly similar, so that might be why they look similar to each other. But yeah, you can't really see past the dirt, so you can't see the layers, but there are layers beneath it, which is pretty cool. And it goes down and up, makes hills and valleys, because it's a hill biome. Let's go over here. Next is forest biome, which does not have trees yet. Haven't added that in quite yet, but I did make the texture for it. Whoops, I just clicked the wrong button. Yeah, I made the texture. These are all the textures I have currently: grass, dirt, stone, clay, sand, coarse dirt or thick dirt, wood side, wood top and bottom. This is stone mantle, and this is water biome. And then let's see. Once it loads, I can run it. Once it loads. And yeah, I put almost all those blocks are in each biome except for the tree one. The water looks extremely weird, so don't ask me about it. I'm not done with that. And there's no water or sand physics yet, of course. I'm just doing blocks right now. But once I get to like special blocks, then I'll add that kind of stuff in. So this is the forest biome, which is much more flat because there'll be trees populating all over it. Okay, let's go to the next one. We have, whoops, uh-oh, what on earth? Jeez, no, what is happening? Ah, oh my goodness. Okay, jungle biome, pretty boring. I'm not gonna show it to you. It looks basically like forest, except it has more clay underneath of it because it's more wet, and it has less coarse dirt or thick dirt. I keep saying coarse. Okay, desert. That's the last one I implemented, and here's a sneak peek at some other ones I'm going to implement. And yeah, so what, 5 is desert. That's right. That's right. Let's do this. Let's show you what the desert looks like. It is completely amazing. Not really. I mean, well, you can put that up to the test. Yeah, okay, here's the awesome desert, kind of, once I fall down, which is after 60 frames, by the way, is just so it loads. Then I can walk over here. Yeah, it's very flat, and it doesn't bump up much, and it also bumps down a bit, and that's where water spawns. So let's see if we can find some water for you guys, and then I can show you how awful it is. Yeah, that's right, because everyone wants to see how awful the water is. These chunks load faster. Stupid recording. Ugh. Slows them down. Okay, come on. Come on. Just find some water already. Where is the water? Oh, there's water. Oh yeah, it's not even clear. That's right. I tried it once and it was clear, and then all the blocks in the entire world were clear. So once I get to special blocks, I'll fix this up. Also, when you fall into it, wait, is this one not thick enough? Oh no, I need to find more water to show you guys. Oh, you can fall through it though, so that's good. But if it's thick enough and you fall through it, it looks hilarious. So let me find some deeper water to swim in. Come on, there's gotta be somewhere around here. Oh, yes, over here. Yes. Ah, come on. Yeah, it's not deep enough? No. Oh, I might have changed the height so it wouldn't get deep enough. No. Okay. But basically it looks really weird. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to show you guys. Man. Okay, yes, right here. There should be some. Okay. Yeah, nah, yeah. Let's fall. Oh, this is a lot of water. There should definitely be a point when Are you kidding me? Are you... what? No. Dang it. I think I changed the values. Well, that's unfortunate. Whatever. So, yeah, those are the biomes I've implemented so far. And, you can edit all of the stuff that changes biomes right here, which is pretty awesome. So for example, for the desert biome, maybe I want the water. Water level is 45. So if I want it to go down more, then I can bring it down here to like 42 is lowest, and this is the highest. And then I can close it out, and that just basically saves the reload it, saves the biome information. Then I can run again and find that water again. But maybe that'll take too long. Let's see if we can find it. Okay, let's go this way. Falling in midair. Okay, we're gonna find some this time that we can fall into because it looks hilarious. Trust me. So, if you got this far in the video, please comment. If you haven't already, comment your favorite biomes, either Minecraft or made up. I am very interested in exploring new types of biomes that aren't really real or just cool, because this is a sci-fi game, but I don't want like crazy biomes that are like alien and stuff. Not until we get to the other dimensions. That's right. Oh, here we go. Here's water. Oh yeah, that's what water looks like. Oh my goodness, I can jump out of it. Yeah. That's right. Okay. That's enough of that. So let me see if I can change it real quick to show you what is happening. Let's see, put this off. Put this, yeah, save that. Go over here, let it load. So I wrote a program in Unity first, or in C# first, and then I put it in processing, which is this, and the program works very well in processing. It creates a Voronoi diagram, which basically has all these cells that have different colors, and each color would represent a biome, and it works perfectly fine in processing. But of course, in the programming language that I'm actually using, which is this one right here, it's kind of screwed up, and I don't know why. So I just have no idea. So I'll show you what it looks like. So it should, there are errors, no. What? Excuse me? I didn't do nothing. I'm sorry about this. 24. 2411. 24. Where's 24? Okay. I never used. Okay, geez. Then I'll just comment it out. Don't know why that happened. Okay. Please go away. Please error. Please go away. Okay, good. Okay, so now, if I run the program, then you should see the different biomes, and they don't blend, so that's another thing I'm working on. I think I have some ideas on how to fix it. So we start out in this biome. I don't know which biome this is. I think this is the plains. Then we walk one way or another. Excuse me. Okay, then eventually we'll see some very strange stuff. Unless I forgot something. Might have forgot something. Let's just keep going. Just keep on swimming. Well, jeez. Okay, yeah. For example, here, the 2-block jump, that's like one chunk that is messed up. I think yeah, we're getting closer to the edge of this Voronoi cell, which is the biome area. Yeah, here we go. So, this is not supposed to happen. You're not supposed to have a different kind of biome, especially one chunk in the middle of a bunch of other chunks. And then, of course, I need to make it blend. As you can see, there are these harsh edges, and it just gets really different. Like, for example, here, that's not supposed to happen. And, yeah, so that's what I'm working on fixing at the moment, but, yeah. So, I know I said I probably have a competition this week, but in the next video update, I will most likely, yeah, trust me on this one, most likely have a competition for you, which your stuff will end up being in my game,